The output channel is located all the way to the right of the mix control application. Each input channel is routed to the output channel. It acts as a master fader and will allow you to control the overall level of each mix. There is a separate output channel for each mix tab. At the top of the output channel, you can choose where to send your mix. By default, this will say Many for both the left and right side of the output channel in Mix 1. This is because it is being sent to different outputs on your interface simultaneously. By clicking on each drop-down menu, you can easily deselect channels or add more if you wish. Keep in mind that an output destination can only be used once. So for example, if you set Mix 1 to ADAT1, you cannot set any other mix to ADAT1 without replacing Mix 1 on that output. Below the output destination selections, you'll see a button labeled Copy Mix To. This lets you copy your current mix to another mix tab. This is useful if you want to base another mix off of your current mix without starting from scratch. Please note that stereo mixes can only be copied to stereo mix tabs, and mono mixes can only be copied to mono mix tabs. Next is the volume fader. This controls the volume of each mix within mix control. Like the volume fader on the input channels, this will not affect what is being sent to your DAW. It will only affect the signal being sent to the specified output destinations. At the bottom of the output channel are the familiar pairing, mute, and solo buttons. If you disengage the pairing button on the output channel, you will turn that entire mix into a mono mix. That mix tab will then split into two mono mix tabs. Also note that the output destination selection at the top of the output channel is now mono as well. The mute button will mute that particular mix, and the solo button will solo that mix. Notice that the solo button on the output channel is non-latching, meaning it will only stay on as long as you are holding it down. Finally, you can name your output channel by clicking on its name at the bottom.